Welcome back, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Mohammed from TechUtopia team, guys. Finally, another Tronsmart speaker in my hands. The latest mini speaker selling under 30 bucks, the Mirtune H1, guys. 8 watts powerful speaker with 20 hours of runtime, Bluetooth 5.3, waterproof design, and hook handle, man. Love this design, guys. Super cool. Anyway, stick around, don't go anywhere. If you decide to buy this product, of course, use my link in the description. If not, have a nice day. Let's go.
First things first, let's talk about the design. The Mirtune H1 is incredibly compact. This little beast can actually fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 260 grams. It's made to be taken anywhere, and with the aluminum carabiner hook, you can easily attach it to your backpack, bike, or pretty much anything you want. This makes it ideal for on-the-go listening, whether you are hiking, biking, or just chilling at the park. Now, let's talk about what really matters the most, the sound quality. Despite its small size, the Mirtune H1 packs a punch with its 8-watt speaker. The sound is surprisingly loud and clear, with a decent amount of bass and treble. It's not going to shake the room, but for its size and price point, it delivers more than you would expect. Whether you are listening to your favorite tracks on YouTube, playing games, or streaming a podcast, the sound quality is consistently good. I won't just talk about it. Let me show real-world tests, indoor and outdoor. Enjoy!
Okay guys, this right now we'll be testing, of course, the sound speaker indoors, low and maximum, okay? We'll be using some audio player, maybe even YouTube, so let's begin. Now I'm filled with doubt. I'm trapped in a piece of face, trying to get out. I thought I was free. Insane power, man. Insane power. Let's go next. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah. Outdoors. What you do me, I don't know. I thought I was free.
Nothing ruins a pool day faster than a layer of leaves and debris. But it doesn't have to be that way.
That's it. Outdoor test. It's a range test. Let's go. Range test. I'm 7 meters away. 15 meters away. Okay. Okay, this is easily 20 meters away, guys. 20 meters away I'm right now. 25. 25. The phone is just next to my camera, just recording from 30 meters distance now. Super stable connection, guys. Super stable. Like you see by yourself, you can hear it.
Battery life is another major win here. The H1 comes with a 2000 mAh battery, which gives you up to 20 hours of continuous playback. That's plenty of time to get you through a long hike, a full day at the beach, or even a weekend camping trip without worrying about charging. And when it does need a charge, the included Type-C USB cable ensures you can juice it up quickly, even with a power bank. Connectivity is also top-notch with a Bluetooth 5.3 tech, which provides a stable connection up to 15 meters. I tested this out, and even at the edge of its range, the connection remained solid. Whether you are controlling playback from your phone or taking hands-free call, its seamless comes with an integrated microphone. You can simply wake up voice assistant with your speaker. Cool. Now, let's put the Mirtune H1 through some real-world tests. The speaker is IPX7 rated, so it's fully waterproof. You can take it to the beach, the pool, or even use it outdoors in the rain without any worries. It even comes with a true wireless stereo TSS feature, where you can pair 2 of these speakers together, and the stereo sound experience can be on another level. If you want that richer, fuller sound, this is the way to go. One of the standout features of the Mirtune H1 is its compatibility with the Tronsmart app. Through the app, you can adjust the EQ to fine-tune the sound to your liking, update the speaker's firmware, and even power it off remotely. The app also lets you control playback functions, which I found really useful when testing with both YouTube and my default audio player. No lag, no issues, just smooth operation. So, what's the verdict? The H1 is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves high-quality audio on the go. Its compact size, hook handle design, rugged, long battery life and excellent sound quality makes it ideal for outdoor use. And at under $30 price tag, it's a steal for what you're getting. Tronsmart has really nailed it with this one, especially with the added bonus of a stable app that gets frequent updates. Honestly, what's there to complain about? I wish they only added some small tiny RGB light, but that's just me nitpicking. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to TechUtopia for more tech goodness, and as always, stay classy until the next time. مع السلامة.